Thanks for joining the Discovery Center as we discover at home.
Hello friends, thank you so much for purchasing our Discover at Home take-home kits. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two spooky crafts. We're going to be making our own spider friend, and we're going to make a web for our friend. Alrighty, let's get started. Alrighty, first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our spider friend. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab the green bag out of your kit that has everything that we need. So here we have, let's open it up. We've got 4 pipe cleaners. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are going to be our spider's legs. We've got a pine cone. This is going to be our spider's body. And we've got a whole bunch of eyes. Here we go. Now, you may need a few extra things that are not in the kit. We're going to need scissors, glue. I also have hot glue. I found it works better, but you can use normal glue. And since I'm working with hot glue, I also have a popsicle stick so I don't burn my finger. Now, because we are working with things that are sharp and that are hot, you may need help from an adult. It's always okay to ask for help, especially when it comes to safety. We all want to be safe. Alrighty. Now first, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your pine cone, and we are going to take one of these pipe cleaners, and you're going to kind of weave the pipe cleaner around. Here we go. Oh. There are 2 legs. Now we're going to add another one. Going to weave it around. There you go. Make sure that it's all sturdy. There are 2 more legs. You're just going to keep adding these pipe cleaners. There we go. So we're going to make 8 legs with our 4 pipe cleaners. All spiders have 8 legs. And they can actually use their legs to taste things and feel things. And there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My spider has 8 legs now. Now, something is missing. I think my spider needs some eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an eye, and you can put as many eyes as you'd like. If you want your spider to have 1 eye, that's okay. If you want to put all of the eyes on your spider, that's okay too. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to put it right, there we go. That's 1 eye. I think I'm going to put a few more. Let's see. Make sure it's, there you go. Oh, got some glue on there. I think I could do with 1 more eye. A teeny tiny eye. Be very careful. I've got a very silly looking spider friend, don't I? I wonder what name I should give it. And there you have your very own spider friend. Now, I think we might make a home for our spider next. Alrighty, now that we've made our little spider friend, I think our friend might need a web to stand on. So next we are going to be making our very own web. What you will need is this yellow bag. Inside this yellow bag that's in your kit, we have 1, 2, 3 popsicle sticks and a ball of white yarn. Now, we also need some scissors. Now remember, you may need to ask help from an adult because the scissors are very sharp and we want to make sure that we are being safe. All right, let's get started. Now first, what you want to do is you're going to arrange the popsicle sticks so it kind of looks like a star or a flower. And you're going to take your yarn and we're going to wrap it around the middle. Let's see. Gonna wrap, wrap, wrap. It's a little tricky. Here we go. And you're going to keep on going until it's all sturdy and it doesn't move around. Okay, now I'm going to finish off the last couple of rounds. Okay, I think it feels pretty sturdy. So now we are going to start weaving our web. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to one of the popsicle sticks and go around and then over and around and over to the next one, around and over to the next one, and you keep on going. Now you can wrap it however you'd like. I just think this way works pretty well. And you're going to keep on going until the end of the popsicle sticks. Okay, I'm going to do the last couple of stitches and I think we are ready to go. So this is what it looks like in the back, or the front, what I was working on. And here's what it looks like in the back. It kind of looks like a spider's web, doesn't it? Now we're going to tie it off to make sure that it doesn't unravel. So this part's a little tricky. You may need help with a grown-up. What you're going to do is you're going to hold it with your thumb like this. Put the string over your thumb and around. And you're going to take your thumb away, making sure that the loop is still open. And you're going to tuck your yarn in. Oh. There you go. And you're going to pull. Okay, now you need to choose how long you want your string to be. So this one here is pretty long, and you can make one shorter too. I think I might make mine around this long. I think I like it this long. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this. I'm going to put my finger here, go around, and then through this loop right here, and pull, pull, pull. There we go. Now we still have a bit of a tail here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors and there we have it. We have our very own spider web. Now, in real life, spiders actually use their webs to catch food. And they're made out of silk. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Alrighty, now that we have our little spider friend, I decided to call mine Mr. Bumpy. I think that name suits him. And our spider web, we can combine them together. So our spiders actually have these bendy legs that we can wrap around the popsicle sticks. And make sure that he's not going anywhere. It's pretty solid on the web. And with this loop, you can actually hang him wherever you'd like. In fact, spiders can be found everywhere in the world except for the Arctic and the Antarctic. Now, those places are a little too cold for them. Did you know that you are never more than 3 feet away from a spider? There might be one lurking around the corner. Now, don't be afraid. In fact, a lot of people are afraid of spiders. That's called arachnophobia. Arachne meaning spider, and phobia meaning fear, or something that people are scared of. Spiders are actually very helpful to us. They can eat bugs that eat our fruits and vegetables, and they can also eat insects that carry diseases like mosquitoes. So if you see a spider, the best thing to do is leave it alone. If you think that it might be venomous, then ask an adult or let an adult know, and they might be able to find a way to safely remove the spider. So next time you see a spider when you're playing, just know that that spider is a little friend.